Well, I think life is all about giving naman talaga. Kasi hindi mo ma-appreciate kung anong meron ka pag hindi mo binigyan yung mga wala. Hello. Well, I think life is all about giving naman talaga. Kasi hindi mo ma-appreciate kung anong meron ka pag hindi mo binigyan yung mga wala. So, anong pag-uusapan natin ngayon? So by the way guys, please subscribe to my channel. Madalang ko sabihin to. Pero yun nga, kasi it's been 2 months na. 9 pa lang ang followers natin. Kaya please subscribe on my channel. Ayan lang, isang click lang. Tsaka I'll make sure naman na puro quality yung bibitawan natin content. Diba? Kaya please subscribe na. Huwag na mahiya. Oh no. So today, pag-uusapan natin, sino ang dapat magdala ng relationship? In English. Ano ba English nun? Who should lead the relationship? Men or women? Ano ba yung traditional relationship? Usually, ikaw, alam mo yan, yung mga lolo't lola mo. Si madalas nasa bahay, nag-aalaga ng mga anak. Si madalas nasa bahay, nag-asikaso sa mga anak, nagluluto, namamlansya, naglalaba. Sino yun? Di ba, babae? Because they are happy to do that. Because women are born to, or designed, or biologically hardwired to do that, na mag-nurture and to share more care and show more love. Kung gusto mo ng traditional relationship, then alam mo na yung gagawin mo. Kung sabihin ko na lalaki dapat ang nagli-lead ng relationship, kasi wala nang iba, di ba? Hindi pwedeng babae ang mag-lead ng relationship, kasi if you let your girlfriend or your wife to lead the relationship, then both of you will get frustrated. Meron frustration na mangyayari, and it's hard to mahirap na ma-frustrate kayong dalawa. It will end up to what? Breaking up or hiwalayan. Kasi yung dapat na role ng isang lalaki na ginagawa niya, binigay niya sa isang babae, binigay niya sa girlfriend niya or sa asawa niya, na dapat din naman niya ginagawa. So women are naturally feminine, di ba? They are born to be feminine. Of course, we have both masculine and feminine. Okay? Pero dapat alam mo kung ano yung meron ka talaga. Hindi pwede na lalaki ka pero mas emotional ka sa asawa mo or sa girlfriend mo. Dapat alam mo kung ano yung meron ka at yun ang gamitin mo. Hindi yung parehas kayong emotional. Kasi pag parehas kayong emotional, wala kayong masusolve. Tandaan mo, men are logical. So lalaki talaga dapat na magdala ng relationship. Tandaan mo, kung kaya ka nagustuhan ng asawa mo or ng girlfriend mo, because ikaw ang nag-lead sa umpisa pa lang. Ikaw ang nag-approach, di ba? Ikaw ang nag-aya ng date. Ikaw yung pumili ng place kung saan. Yun yung mga simpleng bagay na it will add up to her na magustuhan ka niya. Women are attracted to masculine men. We need to act like one, di ba? Di ka na-change the fact na talaga lalaki yung nag-iisip ng way kung paano mag-work ang relationship. Women still, kahit pinaka-masculine women, will still choose a masculine guy na kaya silang i-command. So, yun nga lang, mahirapan yung babaeng masculine kasi it's hard for her to kasi hindi niya alam kung paano siya susunod eh. Lalo na pag nasubukan niya isang lalaki na ay, wala to, mahina to. Kumbaga, ang mga babae, lagi may shit test yan eh. Lagi may test yan. The more na lagi ka nag-a-agree sa kanila, wala na. The more na yung attraction nila sa ida na mataas dati, unti-unti bumababa. Kaya tandaan mo, pag ang babae ang pinagdala mo ng relationship, they will lose respect sa'yo. Hindi man agad-agad, pero they will lose respect on you. So, kaya dapat ikaw bilang lalaki, tayo bilang lalaki, we need to really lead the relationship. So how to lead the relationship? Number one is you really need to lead your life. Kung ano yung mga gustong gawin natin, di ba? Hindi pwede na nag-asawa na ako, i-stop ko na lahat. No, it's not. Number one, kaya kanya nagustuhan is because sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo sa sarili mo. Di ba? Na-in-love siya sa'yo. Di ba? The problem is most men or most guys are switch up or switching up. Dahil lalo na pag first time nila nagka-girlfriend or second time, tandaan mo, women are what? Extractor. They will extract everything from us. Sinabi ko na ito sa isang video ko, di ba? Energy, love, effort, time, lahat. They only care about their emotions. Kung ano yung mapifeel nila. That's who they are, di ba? Kaya wag mo iwanan yung responsibility sa girlfriend mo and ikaw din malulungkot ka kasi mapoprostrate ka lang. The more na you have a control with your relationship with her or yung sa relationship, the more you have the power. Okay? And the more you appreciate yourself. You will appreciate being masculine guy and you will see your parang your worth. Hindi mo kailangan i-please ang girlfriend mo or yung asawa mo para lang masabi mo na you're doing good, na binibigay ko naman sa kanya lahat. No, it's not that. Yun nga ang mali. Binibigay mo sa kanya lahat, di ba? Anything na binibigay mo na hindi niya na-earn, nawawala ng value. She should earn everything na binibigay mo, di ba? Hindi ito ay gusto niya pala to, bigay ko. Hindi yun. Minsan they will feel like lagi niyang binibigay mga bagay na hindi ko naman inaas, di ba? Kasi women are indirect, di ba? So kung magaling kang bumasa, alam mo na kagad kung ano yung gusto niya. Uy, indirect, ito alam kong gusto niya. So yun, tayo dapat na nagli-lead ng relationship. Akala mo ba yung mga under na asawa masaya? Hindi. Nakakatawa lang tignan, di ba? Kaya nga ginagawa yung katatawanan kasi tigas ka pala, tigasaing, tagaluto, tagalaba, di ba? Pero in reality, it's not fucking good, bro. It's not a good feeling, man. Since the beginning of time, we are designed to what? To hunt, to protect, to provide, di ba? We are still biologically hardwired. Kahit yung babae na anak ng senador, pinakamayaman na babae, she will still want a man na superior sa kanya, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Of course, financially as well. Kasi sa babae, wala naman talagang bearing kung how much you earn. Alright? Women nowadays is keep on working because they want a guy na mas malaki ang sahod sa kanila. Ayaw nila na hindi sila magtatrabaho. Kasi pag hindi sila nagtrabaho, ang tanging ma-attract nilang lalaki is yung lalaki na saktuhan lang or average guy. Di ba? Pero kung nagtatrabaho sila, tapos they earn enough money to support themselves, of course, they will choose the guy na mas malaki sahod sa kanila or yung better than them. Tandaan mo lahat sila. So, lahat ng mga babae na nagsasabi, ang gusto ko ng lalaki, ambitious, yung talagang may goal sa buhay. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? They want a guy na better than them. Kasi it's biologically hardwired to them na to find the right guy. Sasabihin mo na naman, ba't may mga babae na uuwi sa bad boy? Yes, they want the bad boy because yung feeling na uncertain. They like uncertain because they are, diba? Women are emotional creatures. So that's why they want uncertain. Ayaw nila ng certain. Kasi pag certain, pag lagi alam mo na yung mangyayari, nabubol sila agad. Pag yung uncertain, yung feeling nila, I can change this guy. Diba? The problem is, pag na-change siya ng girlfriend niya, she will get fucking bored. And that's the problem. So, pag na-bored sila, maghahanap sila ng exciting. maghanap sila ng excitement. So, nandito na si Mr. Exciting. Yari, patay. Tandaan mo, ang lalaki, mahirap gumawa ng date yan. I understand. Kaya minsan, talagang sumusuko yung mga lalaki na, okay, sige, ikaw na bahala sa relationship natin. Subconsciously or unconsciously, sinasabi mo yun. Na akala mo, it works. No, it's not. So ngayon, darating na si Mr. Exciting, di ba? Na biglang nag-message sa kanya, maybe her ex or maybe the guy na crush siya dati, tapos biglang nag-message uli, napansin yung ganda niya, or napansin kung ano man yung meron sa kanya, or biglang, basta anything na, di ba dati kang ganito, kung ano man, kung may trabaho man siya dati, yung mga ganun bagay. Basta, as long as na nagkaroon ng bridge, yung girlfriend mo, tsaka si Mr. Exciting, doon nabubuo ang isang hindi dapat nabuo. Diba? Tandaan mo, women are the gatekeeper. They are prone to cheat than guys. What? Why? O, nabigla ka, di ba? Ulitin ko. Women are the gatekeeper. They are prone to cheat than guys. Because for guys, it's hard for us to make a date or to get a date. Because tayo yung nag-a-approach, babae lang yung sumasagot na, o sige na nga, di ba? Babae ang nagdidesisyon kung gusto nila makipag-date sa'yo. Pero when it comes to relationship, we are the one na magli-lead ng relationship. Okay? Kaya, women are the gatekeeper because, kanino ba yung di ba? So they can do whatever they wanted to do. Especially if they're single. Diba? Pero yun nga lang, there's a consequence once they do that. Or when they do something, you know, something na hindi maganda. So, kaya tandaan mo, pag sinasabing babaero ka, that's bullshit, man. Because most of guys, hindi nila alam yung ginagawa nila. They don't even have a clue what they are doing or ano yung mga dapat nilang gawin para ma-attract nila yung babaeng gusto nila. Kaya pag sinabing babaero ka or fuckboy ka, what the hell? Most of guys, they cannot, in 1 year, maybe they can even 1 day tapos wala pa nangyari, or maybe 2 days or 3 days tapos wala pa nangyari. Women think men can get a multiple date. No, it's not. It's hard. Women are the gatekeeper. They are prone to cheat than guys. And just in case, let's say sinabi na fuckboy ka or sinabi na babaero ka. Ito tandaan mo, when a man sleep with a bunch of women, it means that he's doing something right. When a woman sleep with a bunch of guys, which means that she's doing something wrong. Am I correct? So, babalik tayo dun sa pinag-usapan natin. Who should lead the relationship? Of course, men! Wala nang iba. Because we are born to be leader. Walang iba, men. Walang iba. At the end of the day, you are the one that make the final decision. Not hers. Stop asking her, what do you want to do today? What do you want to eat? Gusto mong bilhin to? What the fuck, man? Stop doing that. Ba't ako nagagalit? You're not designed to follow. You're designed to lead. If you're a man, you're lucky. If you're a woman, you are more lucky. Because being a woman in this world, you will get more privilege than us. But if you're a man, you're lucky because you have the chance to feel the superiority in every way possible. So yun. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Sana minakuha kayo sa akin. Ewan ko ha. It makes sense ba yung sinabi ko lahat. So please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And yeah, click the bell button below. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.